Let's talk about the electricity leakage of the product. Why does the product leak electricity? The main reason is because of this. The module on the car does not recognize the CAN bus due to an incorrect match. Because only correctly identify the CAN bus signal, the device will determine if the car keys are out. If you are using an older version of the decoder, the Bluetooth may doesn't work, and the head unit may couldn't shut it down. Of course, it mostly happened to the vehicles before 2008. Let's take a look at the decoder. It is through this CAN bus box to identify the CAN bus signal. This box is detachable. Very few customers need to change the wiring because of his car's old version. Please don't forget to change this box as well. Okay, let me show you how to take it down and take it over. Good. If you need to replace the new version of the gateway, please purchase on our official website. If the device leaks electricity, there are several phenomena. First of all, the background light is not on. You see, normally when you turn on your headlight, the background light is on. Another is the head unit is not turned off when you pull off the key. And you may find the Bluetooth issues. You can test it after you install it. So, what should we do if it comes across this problem? The main reason is that wire at the back is not connected properly. Please focus on the small black plug on the back, behind the harness. We need to check this plug is connected correctly or not. The connection should according to the wire setting of ACC or ALL. We need to plug and remove the cable. So please know that there is a clip there. You need to use the clip to unplug the plug. So let's do it. Okay, on the contrary, if the connection is disconnected, the device is still leaking, then you need to plug the cable. When this is done, the device is ready, no more to use. And please remember that if your car is before 2008, you still need to purchase a new version gateway. Okay, that is all. Thanks for watching.